Hi everybody and welcome to Titan's RX-80 and RX Pro filter change video. Today I'm going to go over how to inspect and change your RX-80 or RX Pro gun filter. Remember that your filter should be cleaned after every use to keep the gun performing at its best. Please note that the process described in this video is the same for all RX series guns with a filter. Let's get started by first unclipping the top of your spray gun's trigger guard from the gun. Next, using the wrench on the bottom of the trigger guard, slide it down over the first hex on the swivel. If this is the first time you're removing it, you may need to use a larger wrench on the flats of the handle to break it free. Then slide the trigger guard wrench back up away from the swivel to allow it to stay out of the way as you unthread the handle. Now, remove the handle assembly from the gun to expose the gun filter. If the filter came out in the handle, tip it upside down to retrieve the filter. Be careful not to lose the spring if it comes out with the filter. If the spring does come out, just drop it back into the filter tube. If the filter did not come out and is still in the gun body, pull it out. Inspect the filter, and based on its condition, either clean the filter or replace it with a new one. Now before we move on, let's take a minute to talk about the different types of gun filters available from Titan. Titan gun filters are color-coded by mesh or micron size, and the text on the screen shows their suggested use. Always select the appropriate filter for the material you're spraying to ensure best results for your clients. Once you've cleaned your current filter or replaced it with a new one, you're ready to reinstall your gun filter. Start by pushing the filter back into the gun head. Remember that the open end needs to be inserted into the gun head for material to flow. Otherwise, it'll plug up the flow if inserted backwards. On the RX Pro, you need to ensure the ergonomic sleeve is properly aligned to avoid damage or leaks. Thus, on reassembly, this is the first step. If it is not already removed from the filter, do that now. Hold it in place before threading the handle into the gun body. This will prevent damage or leakage. Then finish by tightening the filter tube and swivel with the trigger guard wrench. And finally, clip your trigger guard back into the gun head, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching the RX Series gun filter change video. If you have any questions, refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.